Coming up in this Brightline construction update, this update looks at a cut and throw near Barnes Boulevard and the new CP Bonaventure North Crossover. Barnes Boulevard is located in Rockledge. The cutover occurred just south of the crossing, and the new crossover is south of it. The new second main line has been skeletonized and connected to the Barnes Boulevard crossing. Next to these excavators is where the cut and throw occurred. You can see the old main line moved over to the right. From that point to CP North Bonaventure, trains are running on new track. The track that was moved out of the way will be realigned to become part of the second main line. On the left here is the new number 10 turnout for AmeriGas. The remainder of the siding still needs to be built. And here's the CP North Bonaventure single crossover. For the foreseeable future, trains will now be using this new crossover to move back to the existing main line. The new main line south of here is still being built on the east side. Farther along, and the new extended siding for the Bonaventure industrial area has been constructed. Since it is not mainline trackage and will only be used by locals, it is being constructed with wood ties. This siding is also why there is only a single crossover at Bonaventure North, so trains from either mainline can access it. On the south end of the siding, at CP Bonaventure South, is another single crossover. This crew was working to install some upgraded rail on the existing mainline. Another crew was installing more new rail here. The Bonaventure industrial area siding is being extended by about a mile. Ballast for the work this day was brought to the site via trackmobile due to work train AFW1 being occupied elsewhere. Here's a ballast regulator working some ballast that was dropped shortly before I arrived. A little later, a high rail material handling truck arrived on the future main track 1 with a load of rail for the relaying crew to use. A tamper was also at work on the shift. Coming back that evening, and I am flying north from the Carver Street crossing. You can see the Bonaventure siding extension on the left, existing mainline in the middle, and new mainline on the right. A cantilever signal is staged on the right here, waiting to be assembled. We'll head back south now. This turnout for the Southeast Wood Industry will be removed from the mainline and inserted into the Bonaventure siding extension. The remainder of the siding extension will be constructed once that happens. You can see where the existing Bonaventure siding currently ends south of Anson Road. That turnout will also eventually be removed. And here's one final flight north. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.